Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and this is Make and Take Tuesday. This is a little weekly series that I do on my blog where I introduce you to a new paper collection, tool, die, product, technique, and we make something fun together. Today I have a really bright and cheery new release from my friends at Photoplay. This is called Serendipity, and it's just a really happy, it's what I call happy paper. The colors are bright and bold. The images are really adorable. It can go in a lot of different directions. I can see this being great for birthday cards. I can see this being great for get well cards, for congratulations, for folios, mini albums. As you can see, and they've included an extra like journal card page in here, which makes it great for folios and stuff. That's really good. And some of the sayings are just really hilarious, like life is short, eat more chocolate. Then all of these great little conversation bubbles, this fabulous bright and cheery floral. And I don't usually work in these color palettes as much, but this is a fun collection. This wonderful leaf motif, a great plaid, a solid green, diagonal stripes, and then this text page, which is always really fun for backgrounds and such. Here is the sticker sheet. You can see it's got really cute emojis, just a lot of really fun little words and images to make it very versatile. Then there's also the ephemera pack that comes with a bunch of little titles and tags and banners, images, words. These are always fun to add to a project. They kind of bring it to life. So some of these have fallen out. They just punch out. These are real easy. Just so you can see, they just punch out like this. They come out real easy. Then there's also this, what they call a titles page, that has these great tags. And if you were doing a mini album or a 12 by 12 layout, these would be great. But the tags are super for use on cards. And then there's this page. This goes with a matching die set. So you've got gumball machines, lemon slices, paintbrushes, all kinds of fun things, and cherries. And I think I'm kind of going to go with the cherry theme because I've got this really cute Doodle Pop cherry that's been sitting on my desk. And I think this is a great opportunity to use it. And then this, I don't know if y'all have tried this yet, the My Colors Variety Cardstock. You can buy them in the packs, the variety packs that are color keyed to go with a collection, or you can just buy them as individual sheets. This is awesome cardstock. It's like a great weight for crafting cards, for making layouts. Some of it is textured. Some of it is smooth, and the colors are just really true. It's solid core, which I really like. And so this has all these really bright, cheery colors. So let me get my stuff organized here, and we will come back, and I think we're going to make a birthday card. So hang around. All right, so let's go ahead and get this little card made. I started by creating a 6x6 top fold card base using the blue color. And then I lined the inside with a 5 7/8 by 5 7/8 inch square of this diagonal stripe, and also of this highlighted text paper. So we're going to make this into a pop-up card. And to do that, you're going to need a 4 1/4 by 1 1/2 inch piece of your blue paper, and you're going to score 1, 2, 3, 4 1-inch lines on it. And then I'm just going to show you how to build this little pop-up mechanism. Some of you have seen me do this before, but it's always good to review basic skills like this. So this little flap that's left on the bottom, what did I say this was? 4 1/4, yes. You're just going to put your adhesive here. And then you're going to bring this around, and I've folded on all those scored lines. And this forms this little box. You're going to put your adhesive on the bottom. And then on this side that is adjacent to the bottom. All right. And then we're going to close our card, partially close our card, and fit that little pop-up right in. This makes it that it's going to meet the way it should, and then close your card and press. And you can use score tape for this if you like. And then this, you can see this pops up and you've got this great little pop-up. And I want to do a second pop-up element. This one is 1 7/8 inch wide by 3 1/4, and I scored 3/4 inch. And this way you can have different heights of pop-ups, which is kind of fun. We're just going to make another little box. Put our adhesive on the bottom and on the adjacent side. And we're going to fit this in next to the blue box. And we're going to fold this down and press. And we've got this little tag that says Celebrate. This is from the ephemera pack. And I cut the bottom off to make it flat because pop-ups work best if they have a flat bottom. This was rounded on the bottom and I was finding that that was not working real well. And then I also, for the front of the card, this was another tag, and I fussy cut out the cake for the front, but I kept the shaped top, trimmed it off even. This is a sticker. I put some foam tape there, and this is going to go on our green. It's going to be real cute. So now we're going to close this again. This is super cute. See? So there's your little pop-up. And then this little piece, I'm going to put a couple of bits of foam tape and kind of center it in between our two pop-ups. Okay. Then down on the bottom, I made a little pocket. Because you got to have a pocket. And I topped this, of course this is a 6x6 pocket. I topped this with a piece of the border strip from that die cut sheet, and then I've just got a little tag that says with a cherry on top that goes inside. So that is our inside. Now we're going to go to work on the outside. I'm just going to set this aside. And I cut from white cardstock just a 5 7/8 inch square. And then from my green, my color, I did a 5 and just like one tick under 5 3/4 inches. And we're just going to glue this down. Center it up. Then I took this highlighted text, and this is just a tick under 5 1/2. I like narrower borders, so if you like 1/4 inch borders, you can just go like 5 3/4, 5 1/2, 5 1/4. But I like narrower borders. Okay. And then I did this diagonal stripe. This is 3 inches, and I just backed it with a 3 and almost 1/4 inch of the blue because I felt like we needed a little separation between the patterns. And this is such a bold pattern that that blue just kind of helps separate it a little bit. Then I took from our ephemera this little tag that says today. And I'm going to put a little adhesive right here. Okay. And okay, I die cut this circle. And I also die cut a circle of the blue. Now this is what I do. This is kind of a good trick. I'm just going to cut this in half because I didn't have a circle die that was larger. So this is a little sneaky trick that I do. I'm going to put my adhesive down on my cardstock, and I'm just going to do like this. Okay? And then I'm going to put my adhesive down on this piece of cardstock. And I'm going to do like this. So I've got my foam tape on the back, and I'm just going to put this right about here. Okay. Then I've got this little birthday cake. It's going to go right here. And I took the sticker word that says happy. It's like bold, very bold. And I backed it with 1/8 inch foam tape. And it's going to go right here like this. Okay. And then we're going to bring in our little cherry. So cute. I'm not going to do all the hearts, I don't think, but I might. We'll just see. I am going to add some foam tape to the stem. That's cute, y'all. All right, let's try some of these little, let's put one right here. Right here. And maybe one right here on the cake. That's cute. And then I took some candles and bundled them together with burlap string. And they're going to go right here. Just a couple little finishing details. We're going to put a little bow right here. I'm going to put a little cute little cherry button on top of that. Then I've got this little happy birthday charm attached to some black twine. And I've got this wooden bingo button I found in my stash. Our son is turning 39, so I thought that was really fun. And what we've done is we've created a triangle. And this is a really good tip for composition. You always want to try to have a triangle somewhere in your work. So we have the 39, we have the heart, and we have the cherry button, and it forms this beautiful triangle, and that draws the eye inside your design so you see everything. And on the inside, I went ahead and put in the smile tab to back the today tab. So that completes this sweet little card. I'm so glad you stopped by today. I hope you enjoyed seeing this slightly different style of card making for me. It's a little less vintage, a little more fresh and modern, but super fun. Please be sure to give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed, we'd love to have you along for the fun. And I'm going to clean up my studio and go get my craft on. Thanks for joining me, guys. Bye.